Yeah, would you there beside me all night, doing it again and again. You know I want you so bad, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, would you there beside me all night, doing it again and again. You know I want you so bad, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, ooh, I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Take me away. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Take me away. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Take me away. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I get, baby. I get, baby. Ooh, I want you so bad, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, ooh.
Alright, so overall this was a very beginner style wig to work with. So I would say if you're on the look for something that's straight, well, has a little bump to it, but something that's straight, this one is actually really good. All I did was cut the lace, put powder on the inside, put a side part, and kept it moving. So yeah, this is really simple. If you want, you go in and put baby hairs, because it is a little not realistic up here, and it's not like pre-plucked, anything like that. Well, yeah, no, it's not. So I would say if you're wanting to put this in a ponytail, you can do so, but I would definitely go in and tweeze out that front part, and you can do yourself some baby hairs if you want, or you can just flip it to the side, do a little side action. Not sure what happened to my comb, it was over here. Do a little side action and go about your way. So this is very beginner friendly. Not much had to be done to get this wig plopped on my head. Like, it's definitely a grab and go beginner style friendly wig. I have a small size head and this fits great. The adjustable straps are right next to each other, and it is like, yeah, not really going anywhere. So yes, and this was the parting space. So this is how much you get on the side at least, and down the middle should be about the same. That's like what the middle looks like. So yeah, I'm more of a sided part person.
Take me away.
I do like how the front can kind of frame your face, but you can go in and add extra layers or extra framing to suit you if you choose to do so. Alright, yeah, so that's it for this wig. It was nothing crazy. So once again, this is what the stock card looks like if you are looking for this wig. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. And please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.